The National Weather Service, station KXI-87, serving the Corsicana listening area.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for north central Navarro County and north central Texas until 9:30 p.m. At 6:26 p.m., Emergency Management reported a levee break on Chambers Creek at FM 1126 southwest of Rice. Flash flooding of immediate surrounding areas may be imminent. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
The current time is 6:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA, All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KXI-87, serving the Corsicana listening area.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for north central Navarro County and north central Texas